Friends, this is your Friendship Network channel. Today we know about what are all the useful things which we can do in this lockdown period due to coronavirus all over this world. Yes, if you are learn or if you learn new tips or experience new things in this lockdown, just leave the tip name in the comment box below. Yes, five major tips I'm going to share with you. First one is build a new body. Means so many people in this busiest world unable to maintain their body in fit. So it's a golden opportunity for them to do yoga, medication, and learn and practice the online training classes have been conducted in the YouTube and many websites. So it's a better time to do this for those people. And second one, let the creativity flow. Means if you want to learn singing, dancing, and any other else, or achieve new things, so it's a better time, it's a longer time to do this, and let the creativity flow throughout this world. Third one, quit a bad habit. Some of your father and brother, uncle has been addicted to the alcohol and the smoking, so it's a better time to, if you want to suggest them, it's a better time for them to avoid these bad habits. Fourth one, relive your childhood. Why? Because as children, including me, most of us loved playing board games like Ludo and Snake and Ladder or Scrabble. Most of these games still lying in the corners of our roof, gathered dust. So it's a time to brush off the dust out and spend a time with family by playing these games. And fifth, but not the least, fifth one is connect with old memories. Means we have time, so gather old photo albums and arrange them in a progress. It gives unbidden joy. Why? Because according to psychology, it is found that flipping of our photo albums, we get a enjoyness happier more significantly than the music, watching TV, or any other favorite cocktail. So these are all the major ones. If you want to have new ideas, just share your tips name in the comment box below. So one message I want to convey that share our love, delete our past, and think about present. So thank you for watching this video, and see you, bye bye, tata, and watch you in another video. Bye.